is the Blubber experiment? Blubber experiment. Okay.
How long do you think you can hold your hand in the ice water?
I'd say 1 minute. It's actually not really cold. It's cold. It's actually really cold. And my hands go turn to ice soon.
How long do you think you can hold your hand in there?
I mean forever.
Forever?
Yeah, because should I try? It doesn't actually feel cold.
It doesn't?
No, I can do this forever. Actually, now. You know, I said I could do this forever. I could.
You don't feel it
No,
at all?
no,
It's not cold?
no. This is the back. That if you have blubber on your hand, it will not be wet.
If you have blubber, it keeps you warm. What animals have blubber?
I say penguins.
Penguins?
Maybe
What about seals?
they do too.